Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to be making a fall centerpiece. I got these beautiful pumpkin pieces here, and it kind of goes into like a napkin holder. But we are going to change that up completely. The first thing I want to do is get my chalk paint and paint everything. I decided to go with the camel brown chalk paint. I just thought the color would look really nice. So I'm going to do the front and backs of these. And I'm going to get inside as well. So make sure you get inside to kind of make it all even. I'm not putting a thick layer on, so this way it will dry fairly quick. All right, so I'll let that completely dry. Oh, and just to let you know, I did get these pumpkins from Create Along. They are starting to carry more and more mixed media stuff. So I'm excited to see what they decide to bring next. My pieces are mostly dry, so now I'm just going to get my hard bristle brush. And then I am going to just kind of pat it off. I want it to be like a dry brush. I'm going to do that on both sides. Look how beautiful that looks now. Just adding that little bit of white really made that pop. So I want to add a little sign on here. I got these words from the Dollar Tree, and it comes with a pack of 6. So it says, give thanks, welcome fall, farm fresh, blessed, hello fall, and hello autumn. And I'm just going to kind of play around and see which ones that I like best. I actually like the give thanks best, so I'm going to use this one. And this particular one, I'm just going to do white, and then I'm going to brush a little bit of that on. So I'm just going to go right over it again with my chalk paint. And I'm going to use a smaller paintbrush here. And I'm probably going to have to do about 2 coats of the white. But this one, we only have to do one side, so it'll go much faster. All right, so next, let's take our bristle brush, a little harder one. I'm going to pat most of that off, and then I'm just going to kind of go right around my sides here. And I'm doing this while my paint is still slightly wet. This way I get like a nice little blend. Now I'll let that dry. And next we're going to get our hot glue, and we are going to start putting these in. So first I just want to kind of set them in. Get them right in place. And then what I am going to do is just kind of hot glue the corners here. And then make sure that's pushed in there well. And that'll hold it all into place for us. And then get the inside. Just do one little bead right across. Do the same thing. There we go. There we go. And then I want to do a bead inside this way as well. There we go. And then just give that a couple minutes to completely dry. All right, so now that's nice and sturdy right now. The next thing I want to do is cut my foam here. I got this at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to kind of get an idea of how much I want. Okay. Cut that right in half. Make sure that fits in there. Okay, that should fit in there nicely. Next thing I want to do is get some hot glue. And let's glue this down into place. Let's press down. And get an idea how much I need here. We'll see how that's going to